I've been in custodies of different states and counties since 18. I struggled with addiction, and they were sending me to these places to get the help that you needed. I had nothing but the authorities telling me it was my fault, my fault, my fault. Because you're choosing this, you know, and I can't keep choosing it. You're supposed to trust and believe in these people. California industrialized prison.
Trauma doesn't know a color. Trauma doesn't know an age. Trauma doesn't know a tax bracket. Trauma doesn't know any of these things. Anybody can be traumatized, anybody. Symptoms of trauma: nightmares and night terrors, inability to love, addictive behavior,
insomnia,
depression, shame.
That's not who you are, but it's a symptom of being traumatized. And we're here to heal each other.